Exploring the power of Python libraries, Pandas, NumPy, and beyond. Introduction to Pandas and NumPy. What is Pandas? Pandas is a high-level data manipulation tool developed by Wes McKinney. It is built on top of the NumPy package and provides easy-to-use data structures and data analysis tools. What is NumPy? NumPy, short for numerical Python, is a fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. Data analysis and manipulation. Data analysis and manipulation become straightforward and efficient. Whether you need to clean messy data, perform aggregation functions, or merge datasets, these libraries offer a wide range of functions and techniques to make your life easier. Data frame and series. The core data structures in Pandas are the data frame and series. A data frame is a two-dimensional labeled data structure with columns of potentially different types, while a series is a one-dimensional labeled array capable of holding any data type. Tutorials and projects. Whether you are a beginner looking to learn the basics or an advanced user exploring complex applications, there is something for everyone. Dive into the world of Python libraries and unleash your full potential in data analysis and beyond. Conclusion. In conclusion, exploring the power of Python libraries such as Pandas and NumPy opens up a world of possibilities in data analysis, manipulation, visualization, and beyond.